Holy shit. Sometimes you just need to hit a trade like that and realize, like, I actually know what the fuck I'm doing. I know how to trade, bro. I know how to trade. All right, let me take a shit first and I'm going to go over the trade with y'all. I take you to the candy shop. What's good, guys? Here, let me. What's good? A little recap. What's good, y'all? We are back. I'm going to get straight into it. I'm not going to waste your time. I won today. Let's fucking go, baby. So we made back. Well, we made a little less than our loss yesterday, but it's whatever. We caught a nice little like 1-2. Oh yeah, like perfect 1-2. That's what's up. So let's get into it. Let me put us in replay mode. Actually, let me take my fucking hood off. Fucking fix my hair real quick. Fuck. All right. Quickly. What did I see going into market open? I actually got on the charts earlier than I usually do today. That's probably why I don't like look so fucking tired and dead like I usually do. I got on the charts at like 8:50. Let me put this back on 1 minute. Do this here. So I got on the charts around before we started reacting up. So around here, right? So going into the morning, I'm marking up the charts. I'm saying, hey, we actually could be bearish here potentially. I know we do have this weekly opening gap above us. We have this new week open gap up here. So obviously I'm looking for us to be bullish on the higher time frame. But I saw that we're in a 4-hour right now. But ES didn't touch this 4-hour. So we have an SMT at that gap. But I can see that we have an unfilled 4-hour down here. So maybe we want to go lower before we go react higher, right? But as always, you want to wait and see what the market does. You want to watch and then listen to the market and then just get in line with it. You don't need to predict the market. You don't need to figure out what it's going to do. You just need to listen to what it's telling you and then fucking do it, bro. So look, I'm watching the charts. This shit goes up. Fuck, okay. Boom. So now we're at like pre-market, right? Right before market open. We came up and actually swept out these London highs. So if I was going to be bullish at this point, I was thinking, hey, maybe I'll be bullish up to London highs. Maybe we have a search and destroy. Because if I pull up this right here, and I'm going to get rid of PO3 for now. You see we have London highs up here. We already took out London lows, and we took out both Asia highs and Asia lows. So we could have like some sort of seek and destroy, search and destroy model. We took out these previous PM session lows and these previous London session lows from yesterday. Tapped into this 4-hour. Okay, maybe I'm looking for a setup, but before we even open the market, I'm not taking any pre-market trades, nothing like that. I'll wait till at least 9:30 to take a trade, right? Boom. So we already took this out. What do I see? We open up a 15-minute gap below. So this 15-minute gap gets opened up when 9:15 closes. So at the open, we open up this 15-minute gap. Let me fast forward a little bit. Boom. So now, let me turn this off. We're trading back into this 15-minute gap. I'm saying, okay, cool. So if we're going to be bearish here, we want to see some sort of sweep or SMT of these highs before we see an inversion with good structure below to go target, right? Right now, though, we're already mitigating this 15-minute gap, so I don't really have much to target, right? We do have these low resistance lows. I can't lie. Oh, I'm moving some shit. I shouldn't. I can't lie. This low resistance, I did point out early on. I was like, okay, this could be nice if we're going to look for shorts. If we are going to reject lower, I want to see us take those out. But if we look at this structure, you have to look at it from both sides. If I'm going to be in short, I want to see us react, create structure, and then go short. I don't want to just go short off this first inverse if you went up here, right? Actually, now I look at it, you could have gone, if you were like trying to hop in. Oh, I was looking at this trade early. But I don't enter before market open. But if you entered short right here to this 15-minute gap, would have hit. Anyways, back to what I'm doing. We come down in this 15-minute gap. We start to trade out of it. I'm patient. There's no inversions. On the 1, 2 minute, 3 minute, 30 second, those are all the time frames I take my entries off of. We have no inversions here. So I'm saying, okay, I'm just going to be patient. I'm going to see what happens, right? Cool. So we reject lower again. We sweep out these lows right here. Let me zoom in on ES because you can see that we make an SMT at all these lows. So ES never comes down into this 15-minute gap, while NASDAQ pushes into it once, pushes lower at these lows, while ES pushes higher. So we already had this SMT here. But then we pushed lower one more time, connected this SMT back to all the way back here, because ES never even took out this to enter this 15-minute gap. And then what do we get? A 1-minute inversion. And this is something I used to be very scared of. I used to be scared of high closures. If we didn't close right after this 1-minute gap and get a clean 1-candle inversion, I was always scared to enter it, or I didn't know what to do. But this, you just check on the 2-minute. There's no 2-minute. 3-minute, there's one all the way up here. But if we're going to, like, this is our damn near my target, bro. I don't want to enter all the way up here, because this is a crazy, we still want to be in some sort of, like, discounted area. Anyways. We enter this on the 1-minute. We inverse this. Strong candle closers, super strong. So we enter this. I get in slightly late, or I just get filled here. I don't really get in late. I actually got in a decent time today. I just entered right away, and I got filled right here. Now, what do I see when I'm entering this? Cool. I want to target a 1-to-1. I don't have a hard target here, but I know that we're heavily rejecting these lows. I got this 15-minute. I got this SMT. I got a strong candle inversion. So I know that at least, if nothing else, we're going to take out these highs right here. So if we're going to react off of any area over here, it's going to be these little highs right here. That's why I went break even there. And also, as far as targets, we did sweep out these London highs, but we did also have this 1 hour unfilled and this 30-minute unfilled. So we let the trade play out. We're break even here. Why did you TP early before this 1 hour unfilled? Because ES hit it. So ES hit this 1 hour unfilled. We started to have this retracement down here. So I got out. Well, really, I just put my TP up here. I had it floating because, like, Tradevate, like, if you've traded on Tradevate, it, like, zooms in mad weird, and I kind of hate it. I had my TP up here, and I was just kind of waiting till ES hit this 1 hour and 30-minute gap to, what's it called? To take my profits, because we were already above a 1-to-1. I could have just targeted a 1-to-1 here and been done with it, but I felt like if we're already going to be above this, I'm already at break even, like my stops is protected, I'm not going to lose anything on this. I had confidence that ES was going to take out this 1 hour or this 30-minute at least, or poke into it, so I just held till there. So I got this clean 1.2. And if we go over to TradeZella, oh, it's not imported. Give me 1 second. There we go. Cool. So this is 586 across. It's like it ranges on all the 6 accounts anywhere from 580 to 590. Because you can see right here on this account, if I pull it over, we got 590 on this one. But it doesn't matter. Across 6 accounts, about 580. So made back pretty much all of the loss from yesterday. So all my accounts are sitting right under like $50 balance. But if I just keep this, you know, 1 trade a day, we're just going to keep doing what we do. This was a super clean trade today, super easy, nothing too crazy. I just followed my rules. If I really was like confident in this, I could have stayed in this till NASDAQ and trailed my stop. But I probably would have got stopped out here, because I probably would have trailed it pretty, like, after we passed 1-to-1, I probably would have just put my stop at 1-to-1 in case we wanted to, like, rip there, or this 1-to-2, I mean. But, so I probably would have got stopped out right here, but, you know, it is what it is. It really does not matter. I'm just going to go on about my day. I'm off today, so it's a nice start to my day. I'm going to go to the gym, get some shit done. Probably go, you know, shopping or something, treat myself. You know, I've been just super hard on trying to get my shit done and get and just working this week. So, well, that's it. You know, I took the trade, won the trade, got some money. You know, another day. We got to get used to this shit. So, you know, if you like the video, give it a like. If you dislike it, give it a dislike. I'll be back tomorrow as long as I take a trade. Peace.